Big day, huge day, amazing day. What did we do, Spencer?
Made cars run.
We made them run.
It's a miracle, that's all I can say.
Thanks, baby Jesus. Josh, what the friggin' heck are you about to do?
I am about to pull my passenger side header off, wrap it with titanium exhaust wrap, and then drive the car down the street.
Do yourself a favor. Soak your header wrap. Makes it easier to wrap and stretch.
Isn't there special pliers for those?
Kinda.
Josh made some.
Oh, I see what you're doing. The camera can't because it's a little dark on that side.
Right around there. A little more in, right there.
Nice. You're not ready.
Technically not, no.
Why not? You got your mullet?
Check. I should put.
It's out.
It's running.
It's running. It's
Hallelujah.
driving.
A year later.
Your garage is free!
No cars in my garage. Mine's gotta go back in.
Freaking axles.
I know.
Next episode of Dream State TV, Spencer fixes an axle again.
5th time.
What? Holy crap.
All right.
Dude, it moves. What did you say?
What about what, Spencer?
Yeah.
Said it's not fair that Spencer always get to do all the outros.
Well,
It's because he's handsomer than me and doesn't sweat as much and doesn't have that much chest hair.
so, do you got something you'd like to say?
Like, share, and subscribe.